Are insects driving you crazy? Tired of spending fortune on chemical-laden repellents that harm both your health and the environment? Discover a simple, affordable, and unnatural solution that will make those pesky bugs flee in no time. Say goodbye to insect tools and unlock the secret of a do-it-yourself repellent that will revolutionize the way you combat pests. To make this easy and cheap natural repellent, you will need the following ingredients. Number 1. Essential oil. Choose the citronella, lemongrass, lavender, peppermint, and eucalyptus essential oil. These oils are known for their insect-repelling properties. Next, carrier oil. Opt for a carrier oil like almond oil, coconut oil, or jojoba oil to dilute the essential oil. And number 3 is spray bottle. You will need a clean spray bottle to store and apply the repellent. How to make natural insect repellent? Follow this step to create your own natural insect repellent. Step 1. Fill the spray bottle halfway with your chosen carrier oil. Step 2. Add 10 to 15 drops of this selected essential oil to the spray bottle. Step 3. Close the bottle tightly and shake well to mix the oil thoroughly. Step 4. Your natural insect repellent is ready to use. How to use natural insect repellent effectively? To use the repellent, simply spray it onto exposed areas of your body or clothing before heading outdoors. By following the simple steps outlined above, you can create your own very easy and cheap natural insect repellent. Not only will it help you ward off insects, but it will also contribute to a safer and healthy environment.